How to create a photo album in PowerPoint. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Go to Insert on the PowerPoint menu. Next, click on the arrow under Photo Album, and from the drop-down menu, select New Photo Album. Now, under Insert Picture From, you'll see an option that says File Disk. Go ahead and click on that. A new dialog box opens titled Insert New Pictures. Here, you will locate the folder that contains the picture you want to insert. You can change the order of your pictures if you want. Under Pictures in Album, click the checkbox beside the file name of the picture you want to move. Then use the arrow buttons to move it up or down in the list. Once you're satisfied with the order of your photos, simply click Create in the Photo Album dialog box. Voila! You have successfully created an album in PowerPoint.